Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well out there today. I'm back, guys, with Impact Mailing, but this is going to be an exclusive video I'm doing for people that are interested in the diamond level, okay? Because I want to point out the bonus that I'm going to give you. All right? But before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So let's talk about this. Again, this is for diamond members, or you considering being a diamond. I want to show you what I'm going to offer as my bonus, okay? So let's go over, take a look. I'm going to show you some things. Hang on one second. Okay, if you're not familiar with Impact Mailing Club, Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail program, guys. Okay, they offer actual leads, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home, typically in the home-based business niche. Okay, they come on peeling stick labels. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, as you can see, I've been using these, but see these? Okay, they're going to be on peeling stick labels. So you're actually buying into that and you become a reseller. Okay, this allows you to become a reseller of the club because it is called Impact Mailing Club. Okay, once you become a member of the club, you're able to resell the lead packages because that's what we sell here, leads. That is the product. Okay, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. These are USPS verified leads, okay? So when you do that, it allows you to earn a commission. When you resell the packages, you get a commission for that. So if someone buys one of the lead packages, that's how you're compensated. So you're also buying the reseller rights. So not only are you buying leads, it gives you, excuse me, the lead seller relicense, okay? Reseller license, all right? So let's take a look at that. Excuse me. All right, so I want to show you, this is a 2-page cover letter that I'm going to give you. For everybody that comes in at the diamond, where you actually spend the $2,000 to be a diamond, I'm putting together this PDF. It's going to have, you're going to send me your picture. Okay, as you can see right here, here's mine. Okay, it has me here, says I'm a diamond earner. So we're going to put your picture here, show you a diamond earner, your name, your phone number. Okay, you're going to email that to me. Okay, so it's 2 pages. So this is page 1. Okay, so that's going to be your cover letter. Then it includes the flyer that the company sends you. Okay, this is the one that you're going to get from the company. That's going to have you in box 1, me in box 2, and the company in box 3. Okay? Be just like this. It'll show diamond, sapphire, ruby, you know, all the levels. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together. I'm going to pay for this to be done, actually. And that way you have this. So you have this. Now let me show you what else I'm going to give for my diamond members. Okay. So my bonus is going to be the 2-page cover letter, which I just showed you, 1,000 folded printed flyers. That's right. I'm going to pay for them to be folded for you because this is the way I look at this. This is serious. This is a business. If you invest in you, I'm going to invest in you. So if you come in at the diamond level, that tells me you're serious. And remember, we work as a team. Because my name and address is on your flyer. So when you get paid, I get paid. So, I don't mind investing in you, okay, as a diamond member. This is only for the diamond people that's getting this, okay? Now, when I say 1,000 folded printed flyers, it's going to look like this. Let me show you because I have these and I ordered them. You see this? They're going to come like this. They're already folded. As you can see, it has this little sleeve on it. All you're going to have to do is pull them out, and they're in color. Pull them out and put them in your envelopes, guys, and put your stamps on them, and put your leads on them, okay? So I'm paying for that for you. I'm also giving you 1,000 leads on peeling stick labels, okay? So now you know your program comes, your package is going to come with 1,000 leads. Let's go back over there. Let me show you that. I just want to show you this though. Okay, what I'm giving you. So go check it out. Go check this system out at www.mailorderfreedomclub.com. Give me a call if you have any questions about anything. Let's clarify everything so you understand what you're actually getting. Okay, so let me go back to the letter here. Okay, the diamond, it will cost $2,000 for the diamond level and 5 books of stamps. You would send $1,000 to me, 3 books of stamps, okay, with this letter. You send $500 to my sponsor, 2 books of stamps, and you send $500 to the company. That's the diamond lead package, and it comes with 1,000 leads. Okay, so your package is going to have 1,000 in it, and I'm going to give you 1,000. So that's 2,000 leads plus your flyers, the ones with box 1, 2, and 3 on it, already folded for you. All you've got to do is mail them. Okay, and you're getting the cover letter. Okay, that I'm giving you. Now typically it comes, your welcome kit, it's going to come in a box, a priority mail, a box, and it's going to be in some type of folder. Mine just happened to be blue. I don't know if they've changed that or not, but it comes, you'll have a folder like this, and it's going to have in it a letter that's welcoming you from Impact Mailing Club. They're going to send that to you like a welcome letter. Then they're going to send you their cover letter, okay, but it's not going to have your name or anything on it. It's just a generic one. Then they have a marketing tips flyer in here with different tips, okay. That's typically what comes with the welcome kit and your leads that they send you. The leads I'm going to send you is going to be separate, okay, on peeling stick labels. You're going to get a welcome email from the company, okay, and then you're going to get an email from me because I want to send you some information, okay, some marketing tips and different things, because you join in the Mail Order Freedom team, okay. So again, this is exclusive from me, not the company, so don't start calling or emailing the company. This is my bonus for joining me at the diamond level, okay. Very important. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call, as well as you get my mentorship. Okay, I'm very accessible and I'm hands-on with people that join me. So you can always call me, reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today, guys. I just want to show you the new bonus that I've put together for people that's really serious about this, serious and not curious, and really want to take this business to another level. Okay, and you're serious about making money from home, mailing flyers. Okay, so this resale right is serious because you're able to resell these packages. Okay, not just get the leads, but be able to resell all these packages. See, the diamond is positioned very well. If you look, the diamond is here. So anything below the diamond, if you have people that come in at the emerald, ruby, sapphire, you get paid on all that. Okay, and it's 2 tiers. So when your team makes money, you make money. Okay, so that gives you leverage. Okay, so when you join, I also take electronic payments. The company does too. I'll give you all that information if you really want to do it and you want to do it electronic. I'll give you that information. So if you don't want to mail in everything, you can pay electronic. You can pay me, my sponsor, and the company. We all accept electronic. If you don't want to do it that way and you just want to send in your money order or your cash payment, you want to send it priority mail. Okay? As it states on this order form, print 3 copies, send a priority. That means you would send me a priority mail package, my sponsor a priority mail package, and the company. And typically people send them in these envelopes. I got a whole bunch of these. It's like this. You go to the post office, pick up one of these. Well, 3 of these is what you're going to get. Some people use these small ones too. Okay? They have the little small ones like this. Still $7.75. That's what it's going to cost you to send each one. Okay? That way you get a tracking number, guys. because mail sometimes get lost in the mail. So if you have a tracking number, you're going to have 3 of those if you mail it priority. You're going to have a tracking number for all 3, me, my sponsor, and the company. And that way you can track your packages and make sure they get where they need to go. And then also text me a copy of the receipt as well. So that way I'll know when I get my package, and my sponsor know when she get hers. And she and I communicate. So that way we can get you in the system quickly. That's what that's about. Because we have to confirm you in. We have to send an email to the company to say we've received your payment. Okay, so until we do that, the company is not going to email you your welcome kit. They're not going to mail you anything. Okay, so that's very important. So I try to make sure I'm on top of that. So by you communicating that with me, I can communicate that to my sponsor. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, guys, the diamond package and what I'm going to offer you if you join my team. All right, so that's all I've got for you today. I just want to come out and give that to you. I want to do something special for these people because this is serious business. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Okay, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. This is a great program to get started in, so get started. Okay, be safe out there, guys. I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.